Hi guys, it's me, Star Girl. We're gonna do a little video here for you. Check out the bike.
Oh man, look at my life. I'm a lot like you.
There's the new Mirorrs. That was won off a CC for a photo contest. Pretty awesome. Dim, take a look at them. I know you're interested in getting them for your bike.
Man, look at my life. 24 and there's so much more. Live alone in a paradise that makes me think the truth.
They look pretty sharp.
Love lost, such
I'm happy with them.
Give me things that don't get lost, like a coin that won't get tossed, rolling home to you.
Got some new fender tips on the bike. Came out pretty nice.
Oh man, take a look at my life. I'm alive.
There's my pup.
I need someone to love me the whole day through.
He rides with me every time I'm on it.
Look in my eyes and you can tell that.
There's the rear fender tip. The hubby bought them for me for my birthday.
Lullabies, look in your eyes. Run around the same old town. Doesn't mean that much to me, to mean that much to you. I've been first and last, looking how the time goes by. But I'm all alone at last, rolling home.
There's a shot of the train. That's the helmet that I won off of CC also. In another photo contest. CC's awesome.
Oh man, take a look at my life. I'm alive like you. I need someone to love me the whole day through. Oh, one look in my eyes and you can tell that's true.
So that's it, guys. I hope you're having a lovely day. Take care. Peace.